Okay guys, here's the situation. Now when we have code from last tutorial, let's learn more about how to create pointers to objects. Why? Because that's yet another way how to call these methods individually. Right, so let's do that, and we will have actually both of these objects for testing purposes. Why not? So here, how to create any kind of pointer generally. Like when you're working with normal variables, you're gonna say something like this: integer and star and the ptr as a name for pointer, and then with ampersand you're gonna target that specific variable. But that's like normal operation. Here in object-oriented approach, we're gonna do something similar. So we will not use data type like integer or string on the left side. We're gonna use here what is class name. So in this case, class name is secondary, okay, and then star, and then name of pointer we are going to create. So let's call it ptr, let's say 1, something like that, and let's have this p uppercase just to have differentiation, let's say. Now what are we targeting here? Well, we are targeting that specific object, and of course we must use ampersand to do so, to grab that specific address. And see, in a listing we already have offer. Right, so that's cool. Will this code work? Well, let's test that. Pretty much it will work, but now we need to call appropriate method true pointer in this case. Well, how to do so? You don't need to type star again down there because you already have it here. So classical pointer operations. ptr without a star, and now you cannot just say dot here. I mean, yes, do have offer, but when you try to run this code, you're gonna get yourselves into problems because yeah, when you hover over that, you're gonna see maybe you meant to use right arrow and that thing in the middle line that I know what is name of always. So yeah, you will not use dot, that's the major story here. So you're gonna use that thing. And again, you have a listing, but right now listing will totally work. So let's do that. And let's run this code. And because we are talking about secondary class, we will see this result on the screen. See, there you go. Excellent stuff. So let's repeat one more time, and we're gonna work with the third one, I mean third class and object 2 based on that. Oops, just a second. So let's create pointer for third class, ptr, let's say 3 or 2, yeah, who cares, and we are targeting object number 2, and of course that must be address, so ampersand. And now let's use a pointer down there to issue appropriate methods. ptr2 in this case, and we will not use arrows, we will use this weird thing, and you can choose any of those, result will be totally same because automatic recognition. So here result will be I am from third class. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. You have results, and now you know how to construct pointers to objects so you can pull specific methods to work with that. Right, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching as always, and see you next tutorial.